All right. So as everyone knows, the market is just going crazy right now, all-time highs. But the problem I'm having is, do I get in now? Because I feel like as soon as I get in, it's just gonna go crazy down, like all the way. But if I short, it's probably just gonna keep going. How am I supposed to tell that?
Yeah, so really great question. So, U.S. indexes tend to go up over time. So you got the S&P 500, Russell 2000, you got the Dow Jones, you got the Nasdaq 100, which all just monitors certain aspects of the U.S. stock market and tends to go up. Now, I look at those on the future side, right? And so, um, I would not sell indexes because indexes tend to go up over time. So whenever you trade against that, it's an appreciating asset, right? So it has an average increase annually, not every single year, but it goes up over time. So whenever you short the market, you're always trading or fighting against the long-term trend. I don't like that. Well, it really just depends on your time frame, right? So like, fact of the matter is, you should have been buying last month, last week,
Hmm.
before this big rally. But
Yeah.
now here we are, right? All-time highs. So what do we do? Well, if you're an investor and you're like a long-term buy and hold, it doesn't matter. You're going to buy this week, this month, anyways, because your outlook is 5 years, 10 years, 20 years, and probably we're going to increase over time. But if you're like day trading or swing trading, then you got to wait for your setup, right? If the markets are too high, and your setup requires a retracement, then you have to wait for the retracement. You got to follow the rules of your strategy, follow the rules of your setup. Um, if you don't, then why even have a strategy?
Hmm.
Right? So, um, markets near all-time highs or at all-time highs, depending on what you're looking at. What do you do? Enjoy the ride if you're in. And if you need a retracement to get in, well, now you got to wait and sit in your hands. All I can say is next time the market dips, understand their indexes. Indexes go up over time. Any downward movement's a short-term move, and don't be too afraid to jump in. Not saying you are, but just saying like that's what we do. We don't
Yeah.
indexes don't go on sale for us, right? We don't get
Hmm.
like promo codes and stuff like that. The only time we get low prices as the market has to sell off, give us a low price, and then we gotta be brave enough to get in with good risk management.
Thank you, Josh.